Hi everyone, Cody here. So I've hit 5,000 subscribers, and that is just amazing when you think about that number of 5,000 people. Anyway, I just wanted to really take this time to say thank you. I know a lot of you are here because of Tom Clancy's The Division content, and I'm really glad you're all enjoying it. That's some amazing feedback, so thank you. And I just want to say as well, it's really amazing because I've actually been recognised while playing the game by some people who have actually said, "Oh, it's that guy from YouTube" and things like that. And that is that's just amazing when you think about like 5,000 people, and out of the whole base of the game. And I know someone's going to say there's only 5,000 people playing it, but don't even go there. But yeah, it's just amazing that I've got that borderline celebrity status on the go, which is really cool. Another thing about YouTube as well is I've actually been starting to make quite a lot of money during YouTube, and I don't do it for the YouTube, throw it out there straight away, but it's really cool that I've been able to actually pay some of my bills just because of my YouTube, and that's just another amazing thing when you think about it. Something I enjoy doing is actually paying my bills. That is just amazing. But as I said, I don't do this just for the money. Even if I didn't get any money through the revenue of adverts, I'd actually still do it. I really enjoy gaming. Who doesn't? And I really enjoy editing the videos and putting them together as well. I enjoy people giving me feedback, watching them, and I enjoy watching my own content as well. I actually go back and watch videos from a couple of years ago and watch how I've progressed, and I actually enjoy the highlights and gaming moments and, you know, watching the memories back. But yeah, I just wanted to say thank you for subscribing to my channel, and thank you for all your support. And I just want to say that it really does mean a lot to me. 2 years ago, I was actually diagnosed with bipolar and manic depression, as some people might know it. And a lot of bad things were going on in my life at the time. My girlfriend of a 7-year relationship left me for another man. I had to quit my job. My father died. I didn't really know him that well, but it still affected me. And I had some other really serious health issues as well. And YouTube was a big thing that actually kept me going. It kept me busy, and it gave me a routine during that time as well. And it still does on my lows of when I'm really depressed. Having to keep that schedule, and of course people asking and demanding for content, it actually really inspires me to stay motivated and to make videos. And for anyone who's actually got any understanding or who's dealt with depression, unfortunately, you can probably understand how important that is to have in life. So yeah, my YouTube's actually really important as well to me, so thank you for all your support. I just want to say feedback's really amazing. I get some absolutely fantastic comments, which I just wake up, I read them, and it really just makes my day, so thank you. I don't want to get too soppy anyway, I just wanted to let you know that it's really appreciated. As always, thanks for watching. I hope you stick around, and Alpha Mike Foxtrot.